What's up, y'all? Another one back at it. I'm gonna do a cold start on the Polaris, the Kawasaki, and the Weed Eater in just this one video. So I'm just gonna really quickly just take the Polaris and go around, show you the pipe, prove that it's cold. All right. Oh, put my choke on. 3, 2, 1. Done. All right, Kawasaki. Cold. It's right here. On. Choke on, gas on. I'm not even gonna do a prime kick. I'm just gonna. Okay. And the last but not least, the Weed Eater. Cold head, cold everything. Put it on 2, and whoop, that's the only one that didn't start first full. Man, got to keep your machines alive, dude. That's how you roll.